Install Windows 8 without a product key. Windows 8 setup asks for the product key at the beginning of the setup without letting you install it. I got the Windows 8 ISO from MSDN, but I didn't get enough keys to install it on all my 7 computers. Also, my MSDN subscription level doesn't allow me to get the VIA product key to Windows 8 Enterprise. Is there any way I can install Windows 8 for a limited time period like we used to do for Windows 7?
Create a bootable USB flash drive to install Windows 8. Navigate to and LT, flash drive and GT, column / sources /. Save a file called a.cfg in that folder with the following text. If you want to install the Pro Edition, replace Core with Professional. If you want the setup to ask which edition you want install without entering the product key, leave the editioned blank. You can also set VL volume licensing to 1 for true and channel to OEM/retail. Now install as normal and the Windows 8 setup won't ask for the product key. This will work for every copy of Windows 8 that you can get from anywhere. Also, if you ever want to enter the product key, you can do so from the Windows activation window or using the SLU3 command.
The answer of user is correct, but you can also leave editioned and a.cfg blank. Now Windows 7 and 8 setup will let you install without product key, and also lets you choose the edition you want to install. You don't need to edit a.cfg every time.
Quickest option, no need to modify and burn a DVD or create an install flash drive, is to use a generic key. They are keys that can't be used for activation, but only to bypass that installer screen. Here is a list of generic keys. If the link is dead, just Google Windows 8.1 generic key. Edit, found a new link. This URL